Hey Wanderers, we're set up lakeside at World Showcase Lagoon here at EPCOT, waiting for Luminous, the Symphony of Us, to begin. If you haven't been here before, this lagoon sits right in the middle of 11 country pavilions, each one representing a different part of the world. Every night this show brings all of them together around the water. The idea behind Luminous is connection, showing how different cultures and stories can come together as one. I hope you enjoy the show.
To the great gathering.
Welcome.
Welcome. Bienvenue. Marhaba.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti. Willkommen.
Karibu.
欢迎.
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great Symphony of Us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Find your place in the great Symphony of Us. You hear the sound of a world in motion. Wind through the trees, the tides of the ocean. Can you feel the beat of a million hearts all in time? The sun hypnotized ourselves to the world around us.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. 可以呼唤我到你的身边，je serai là avec toi. 'Cause you'll be in my destiny, yes you'll be in my joy. From this day on, so I'll try to you seem so strong, you can't say it's one between us and my head broken. I will be here, don't you
We begin to understand what our instrument can do. We find our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors, our family, nuestra familia. We begin to recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet.
World is calm, music playing for only two. So close together, in love with you. So close to feeling
Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved quitter than me, when somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. Through the sun, without a soul, we had each other in the sun. Just she and I could together, like it was meant to be. When she
But we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony. The sounds of each other. Steady spinning round the sun.
We hope you enjoyed Luminous, the Symphony of Us. From all of us here at EPCOT, we wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.